Here's an example of how not to use a drill. Poor girl, it will probably take years for her hair to look as it looked before. After that, even a whole bottle of Tylenol won't help come back to your senses. Here's what happens when you ask your little shop helper to help you empty the sawdust pot. I sneezed just watching this video. Check out how Grandma turns her glasses into sunglasses using just pure magic. Truly amazing. If you've run out of bricks, just use a sponge to quickly turn a plain wall into a completely realistic brick wall. When you ask the wrong guy to mow the grass, weird things happen. I asked myself how that kid managed to even get himself stuck inside a stool. It's a strange world we live in. When you're unqualified but still get hired for the job. Getting stuck in an IKEA bathroom and not being able to get out because the key doesn't work anymore is one of my worst nightmares, honestly. Just imagine if she didn't bring her phone. I was nervous for his fingers, but wait for the ending. Definitely not how to use a flamethrower. When it's too big. When you're supposed to be helping but you'd rather cuddle. Here's why you always need to stay alert and vigilant on the job, so things like this don't happen. Poor guy. Would you ride this boat? Isn't this the best way to pull out an engine? Whoever said water and oil don't mix? This video is probably the most stupid thing I have ever seen. I'm lost for words. Here's the guy you need if you want your car parts safely removed. Let's see how far the back door can go. After you're done peeing, dirty hands, clean money. Teamwork makes the dream work, even in a garage. It was at this moment he knew he effed up. The Makita versus the DeWalt in close combat. Would you ever risk a ride on this robotic arm? I probably would. The forbidden green Gatorade. Let's just call this guy the Employee of the Year. This guy is in for a lot of pain. I won't spoil it though. Here's a tip for you guys. Always check when getting out of your car, especially on a highway. How did that dog get stuck in there? Wait till the end to see what happens. It's not what you're expecting. That looks like one expensive game. I wouldn't want to buy rims from these guys. Don't be these guys. Learn and understand stored energy before working on heavy equipment.